Did you know your mindset affects 100% of all the outcomes in your life? All aspects of your life and everything that you experience? Now, mindset can really be another word for vibration. And your vibration is what creates your reality. It's your belief systems, it's your emotions, which are based on your belief systems. It's what you focus on, it's the stories you tell. This is your mindset, the I am, your sense of self. And it literally creates your reality. It is in real time. You are shifting through different dimensions, and it's dependent on your mindset, your vibration. And one of the worst mindsets you can have is to give too much of your attention to what is happening in your life when it doesn't make you feel good. Now, unfortunately, most people, they don't understand that they create their reality and it's based off of their mindset. So this kind of leads to this general consensus that things happen to me, or, accidents just happen. Circumstances, they happen to us. It just happens. It is what it is. Wrong. This is an illusion that we're living in. It's literally a video game world. It's a dream. It's your dream. So if it's your dream, you're the creator of it. And if you're the creator of it, then things don't happen to you, they happen for you, for your benefit. Everything is there, kind of like a video game is there for the player character to get through the video game, to level up, to get to the end of the game, and to achieve the goal. It's all there for the player character. And now you're starting to see how this kind of a mindset could be really debilitating, because if you don't understand that you create your own reality based on your mindset, well, you're gonna give so much of your attention, your focus to what is going on around you. And that's what most people do. They're just living in their life. The life is happening kind of to them. And so to make a long explanation short, they are preventing the manifestation of a greater life happening because they continue to tell the story of where they are at right now, where they're sitting, what's going on, what's happening to them. They're giving all their focus. They're like, this is who I am. This happens to me. Like when it comes to their job or their friendships or their relationship or whatever. And if it's maybe like a negative scenario, especially this is terrible when you're just like, this is who I am. I'm this person who exists in this kind of a life situation. You identify with your what is. It's this identification. You think that you can't do better. You think that you can't reach for more. You think you can't have what you want, but you can because you exist, okay? So there's a reason enough, you exist. And secondly, you had the desire. So there's two reasons, enough, more than enough, that you need for you can have what you want. It's because you exist and you wanted it. That's the only thing. That's all you need. Because you're the only one here. This is your reality. You are creating all of this. So why not just sit back and allow this creation, this matrix that's you, it's not something else, this matrix is you, allow this whole simulation to work in your behalf, right? So I don't know if there's like one word I can use to encapsulate this mindset, but basically it's the mindset of giving your attention to what is and identifying with it, saying this is who I am. So you really just shouldn't be doing that unless it makes you feel good. Like maybe you have an amazing relationship with a loving person, or you have your dream job, or whatever. Then go ahead, give tons of attention to that. Talk all the time about that. Give more energy to that. But the thing is most people are giving their attention to their problems and what isn't working and what's going wrong, and how they're being mistreated and what they're not getting out of life, what's not happening. They're like, this still hasn't happened yet, still not going on, I haven't gotten it yet. So honestly, I'm gonna ask that you be a little bit delusional. Like, obviously, I'm not saying like go and just close your eyes and be like la 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 and ignore life. You do want to give your attention to what's going on, because what's going on is very important. It's the springboard for you to move forward, because everything that's happening is perfect. Like I said, your mindset creates your reality, so you've created what you're in right now. So utilize that to move forward, because all of that, all of what's happening right now is data. It's information. It's telling you what you've got going on, because if you're triggered, if you got negative emotions, negative belief systems, then it's going to be reflected in your reality. That's the data points. Like, for example, you're trying to be a better person. Well, you might still see reflections in your reality of negative people, reflecting back to you those old beliefs that you still had. So that's another thing to keep track of, is that how there's a bit of a time delay. So as you change your mindset and your vibration, you shift, but it does take some time for the reflection to match your vibration. It's not going to be instantaneous, because we live in this reality where there's a bit of a time lag. So like, I guess you could, another way of talking about this mindset is it's basing how you feel off of a mirror. It's like you went into your bathroom and you looked at the mirror, and the guy in the mirror, that's what you're basing off of, instead of this physical reality. You can't make the mirror you smile if the real you isn't smiling. You have to smile to see the mirror smile. That's why you can't base how you feel with the mirror. Because if you sit there and you're like, I'm not going to smile until you do, reflection. I'm not going to be happy till my life is better. I'm not going to be good until everything is perfectly in its place. Then I'll be good enough. Then I'll be happy. Then I'll be fulfilled. So really, I would say it's the balance of kind of facing your now, the what is, with a neutral mindset. Because it's not exactly about just wholly ignoring it. You do need to give it your attention, just not the attention of, this is who I am, this is where I'm at, and it's never going to get any better than this, or I have to try really hard to get to a better place, or whatever. So that's why I'm going to offer the mindset shift of pronoia. It's the opposite of paranoia. Pronoia is everything is happening for me. Life is served to me on a silver platter. Everything is coming to me. Everything is conspiring on my behalf. Everything. It's like I got a whole staff of people up there looking out for me and making things go the way that I want them to go. But that's only going to happen when you go with the flow of your higher self, by listening to the excitement, by acting on your passion, by letting go of negative beliefs, negative mindsets. Life will absolutely happen for you. It's not going to be perfect at all times, but it will happen for you, especially when you sit there and you define challenges and things going unexpectedly as beneficial for you. But the thing is whether or not you adopt the positive mindset, it's always active no matter what. Life is always working on your behalf. It's always working in your favor. The thing is are you allowing it to? Are you letting it? Because this is an attraction-based universe. So, everything is coming to you, but which things are you allowing to come to you? Are you allowing the things that you want to come to you, that are wanting to come to you? Or are you giving your attention to what is and then letting things that you don't want to come to you? You're attracting based on your focus, but you're still creating it. It's still happening for you. It's still a wake-up call. Hey, you have a belief system. It's not working for you. Hello. It's still working on your behalf, even when you don't believe it. It'll still be doing that and giving you more of what you believe in. It'll be reflecting the beliefs that you have back to you. That's how much it still is working on your behalf. But anyways, I'm not good with outros, so here's some wise words from a Wookiee. And as always, thanks for watching.